In today's Maths video class, we are going to learn about Introduction to Subtraction. Subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. From 9, if you take away the 3, the leftover will be the 6. Terms used in subtraction. The number from which the another number is subtracted is called as a minuend. The number that is to be subtracted is called as a subtrahend. The answer of subtraction is called as a difference. The symbol used for subtraction is called as a minus. Points to remember. There are 3 important points you have to remember, children. In subtraction, we always subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. Let us take an example, 54. From a 54, if you take away the 20, the difference is 34. From a bigger number only, you can take away the smaller number. From a smaller number, we can't take away the bigger number. Second point, change of order is not possible in subtraction. Children, see here, the minuend is 9 and the subtrahend is 3. From a 9, if you take away the 3, you will get a 6. If you change the order of minuend and subtrahend, it is not possible. From a 3, you can't take away the 9. So, change of order is not possible in subtraction. Third point, the difference is always smaller than the minuend. Let us take a number 56 minus 20 gives 36. The difference is 36. The difference is always smaller than the minuend. We are going to learn properties of subtraction. Properties of subtraction. There are 3 properties of subtraction. Let us start with the first property, zero property of subtraction. In this property, 0 is always taken as a subtrahend. Let us take a number 95 minus 0. We get the difference 95. This tells us when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference will be the number itself. Let us see the second property. Subtract a number from itself. Let us take a number 54 minus 54. We get the difference 0. When we subtract any number from itself, we get the difference 0. This tells us when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. Let us see the third property, order property of subtraction. Let us take a number 9 and 3. When we subtract 9 minus 3 or 3 minus 9, we will not get the same difference because 9 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 9. Thus, it tells us the order in which the number are subtracted is important. Now we are going to learn about 4-digit subtraction without regrouping. Subtracting 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Find the difference. Let us see the first example, some children. 7569 is a minuend. 4325 is a subtrahend. Arrange the given number one below the other according to their places. Step 1. Subtract the ones column. 9 minus 5 gives what, children? 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. 5 minus 3 gives? Yes, you are correct, 2. 7 minus 4 gives? 3. Therefore, difference is 3244. Let us see the second example, some children. 5478 minus 2347. Arrange the minuend and subtrahend one below the other according to their places. Step 1. Subtract the ones column. 8 minus 7 gives what? 1. Next, tens column. 7 minus 4 gives what, children? 3. Yes, you are correct. Hundreds column. 4 minus 3 gives what? 1. Thousand column. 5 minus 2 gives what? 3. Therefore, we get a difference 3131. Now we are going to learn how to do a checking for a subtraction. Checking for a subtraction can be done with the method addition. We can do with the addition method. Okay, children, first step, you have to write the difference as a first addend and subtrahend as a second addend, and then add both the addend 1 and addend 2. Step 1, add the ones column. 1 plus 7 gives what? 8. 3 plus 4 gives 7. 1 plus 3 gives 4. 3 plus 2 gives 5. We get a sum 5478. The sum should be equal to a minuend. If minuend and sum both are same means then the subtraction is correct. Check here, children. Here the sum is 5478. Here the minuend also 5478. Minuend and sum both are same. So the subtraction is correct. Children, now we are going to learn find the missing digits. Children, in finding a missing digits, the top number you will call as a head, the down number you call as a leg, the difference you call as another leg. Why we are calling the top number as a head is because we all know that in a subtraction, the top number will be, the minuend will be the bigger number than the other two numbers. So you call this as a head, and other two number you call it as a leg. So subtraction will have a one head and two legs. I'm going to teach you one trick, children, to find a missing number. The trick is when head is missing. If head is missing means you have to do a addition. What you have to add? You have to add the two legs. When you add the two legs, you will get the missing head. When leg is missing, you have to subtract. Subtract means what you have to subtract? Head minus leg. You have to subtract the leg from the head. Remember that, children. Head missing means addition. Leg missing means subtraction. This is a trick, children. If you remember this means you can easily do this sum. Now we are going to find. Here in the ones place, head is missing or leg is missing? Which is missing, children? Yes, leg is missing. If leg is missing, what we need to do? Subtraction. What we need to subtract? We need to subtract the head and the leg. If you subtract the head and leg, we get the missing leg. Subtract 8 minus 4 gives what? 4. So write 4 here. Now check. 8 minus 4 gives what? 4. Okay, coming to the tens place. In tens place, nothing is missing. Okay, moving to the hundred place. What is missing? Leg is missing. So what we need to do? If leg is missing, what we need to do? We need to do a subtraction. Subtract head minus leg. 5 minus 1 gives what? 4. So what we need to write in the missing place? 4. Shall we check, children? In hundreds column, 5 minus 4 gives what? 1. So the missing one is correct. Okay, coming to the thousand column. What is missing? Head is missing. So if head is missing, what we need to do? We need to add. We need to add the legs. Add the legs. 3 plus 3 gives what? 6. So write 6 here. Now we are going to check the thousand column. 6 minus 3 gives what? 3. So the missing one is correct. Did you understand, children? Is it easy? Let us see the another example, children. Here we need to find a missing. We know that if head is missing means we need to add. If leg is missing means we need to subtract. The minuend you call it as a head and other two you call it as a leg. Okay, shall we start, children? See the ones place. What is missing? You tell me. Yes, you all correct. Leg is missing. If leg is missing means what we need to do? Subtract. What we need to subtract? Head and the leg. 6 and minus 4. If you subtract 6 minus 4, what you will get? It's 2. So write 2 here. Shall we check, children? Is it correct or not? Yes. See, check here. 6 minus 2 gives what? 4. Okay, it's correct. Now moving to the tens place. See here in tens place, anything missing? No. Now moving to the hundred place. In hundred place, what is missing? Head is missing. If head is missing, what we need to do? We need to add. What we need to add? leg, other two legs. Leg 4 plus 3 gives what? 7. So what we need to write here? 7. Shall we check, children, 100 place? 7 minus 4 gives what? 3. So it's correct. Now moving to the 1000 place. In 1000 place, what is missing? Leg is missing. If leg is missing, what we need to do? We need to subtract. What we need to subtract? Head and the leg. 9 minus 2. What is 9 minus 2? It's 7. So what we need to write here? 7. Now we are going to check fully, children. In ones column, 6. 6 minus 2 gives what? 4. 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 4 gives what? 3. You are correct. 9 minus 7 gives what? 2. So the missing digits are correct. I hope you all understand the concept. Thank you, children. Have a blessed day.